Hola, mi amores. Another weekend with grilling with Judge Desire for Knowledge. Me, your host with the most. What we're going to do, we are going to lubricate. That's right. We're lubricating that grill. Of course, I always clean my grills thoroughly. So if you want a grill like this, it's major work, but it's worth it. Got the chunks in there. Charcoal coming out, and the chunks this week is apple and cherry. And what's on the menu today? Okay, I've got something I always like, because if I can't get out there to get it, I make it at home. And I have half chicken, Spicyliciously jerk. Spicyliciously jerk chicken, which I cut the halves, the whole chicken in halves. So that's what I am going to have this weekend. This is just a family meal. I am not out barbecuing, because first and most, I barbecue just because, not for occasions. That's just extra. Oh yeah, that's a big one. That's why. And we got one more. There's 2 whole chickens. Cut makes 4. Alright, so we're going to let that grill. I am not smoking it today. I am very busy. But this is dinner. Go check out my other shows on this channel. And that would be Know Your Truth Real Talk last Saturday. It was great. Awesome topic. And this one coming this week, you need to go check that out. I'm sure you're going to all enjoy it. And now it is time to turn. Welcome back. I am turning these. I turned it up a little bit, so it did get kind of smoked at first instead of grilling. I turned it up for grilling now, so the smoke is usually 2 hours if you put it on smoke, but today I just want to grill. So I'm going to let this slowly cook, turn up the temperatures, and get this going. Alright, JD4K family. We are going to turn these over now. I've turned them up, and they're grilling nicely. BBQLICIOUS. They're looking scrumptious. As I said, BBQLICIOUS. Now for the grill sides. Alright, my special dish. Black beans. It has been simmering for an hour so far with mi sazon, meaning my ingredients that I created homemade, of course. And here we have, in the pressure cooker, brown rice. So basically the grill sides are black beans, rice and beans actually, with brown rice though, healthier. A lot of protein and fiber in beans. So we'll see what this looks like in a bit. All right, and now we are going to turn these over right now. How beautiful is that? Oh my goodness, you should smell this. If there was smell-o-vision. All right, this one can stay. Oh yeah. Next time, I'll be turning it off one more time. Turning it around, I meant. And then taking them off. They're looking good. Just trying to get that sear on there. So, that is looking BBQLICIOUS. So now we're going to take these off the grill, the ones that are ready. Look at that beauty right there. BBQLICIOUS. This one, you sear a little more. Ooh, perfecto. Because when you have jerk chicken, you want to get the moisture in there and the flavors and the marinade that it was in for 2 days. Homemade jerk sauce. Mi sazon. That's what I call all my homemade marinades. So by the time I come back, we'll have taken all of these off the grill. Ready to chop up. I'm going to check on my grill sides, and then I'll bring it all out to you. Now for the finale. Ooh, don't those look good? Yep, they're ready. I'm just going to take these off now. Take a look at that, everyone. All right, real jerk chicken with JudgeDesire for knowledge. And now we will add the grill sides and come back for the full menu. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a great one. BBQLICIOUS. Yum. And it is finita. Look at that. That's my brown rice. I put scallions, olives, as well as peppers, sweet peppers. So this is brown rice in the pressure cooker. And alongside, there goes the jerk chicken. I just topped with some more jerk sauce. So it's completed. And so are the beans. Yum. So this is Weekend Grilling with JudgeDesire for knowledge. Thanks for checking this video out. Come back again, check my channel, Know Your Truth Real Talk every Saturday at 3, Court Affairs every last Saturday of the month. All right, BBQLICIOUS. Can't wait to dig in. That's the spices that I made and covered over the jerk. Yum. Until the next time, see you then. Ciao. Like, share, and subscribe.